We're at the Hanover Turtle Creek in Dallas, Texas. The Hanover Turtle Creek in Dallas, Texas. We're on the 22nd floor, and we're about to go see a really beautiful pool. So 22nd floor, gorgeous pool of the Hanover Turtle Creek. Before we dive in to the pool area, there is a really nice grilling area that's over here. That's amazing. And then we walk through here, and this beautiful pool area is here. So the pool area is gorgeous, just delightful, gorgeous pool. You've got just areas where you can just kind of sit in the water. It's about 4 inches, and then you've got the pool itself. And I mean, look at this pool. This is a terrace. I mean, top floor pool. And this gives you just the command of all of Uptown and Turtle Creek. That's what's all around you. Just beautiful Uptown Turtle Creek experience. This is actually, it's funny because this is filmed in the summer, but it's a little overcast day today. But the sun is, the light is kind of peeking out, but it still is a beautiful day to me. This is just a gorgeous area. Here's a little bit more of a fire pit area that's fun. And then here's some more grilling stations. The grilling stations over here, two more grilling stations, and then more of the views and the area. This is gorgeous Turtle Creek, Katy Trail, Uptown area. Hey, if you're ready to see the Hanover Turtle Creek, and maybe you want to take a virtual tour, start with that virtual tour. It's a good way to do it. Send me a text. I'll set up that virtual tour right away. It'll be using Zoom. And we can do that right away for you. And you can send that text even if you're watching this at 10 or 11 at night. Doesn't matter. Send the text right away, and I'll connect you and get that tour set up immediately as soon as possible for the Hanover Turtle Creek. And you can use our service. It's 100% free service at Uptown 101.